State BJP held a protest program on Saturday at the initiative of every Mandal committee across the state, alleging that the CPIM and the Congress are constantly maligning the current ruling party in the state and are systematically trying to block the flow of development by creating an atmosphere of confusion in the state. According to this decision, a protest march started from the front of the Mandal office on the initiative of Bharatiya Janata Party's Telemura Mandal Committee and went around the various roads of the city and ended up at the Mandal office. The presence and participation of almost all sections, starting from the youth section, was eye-catching in this procession. Reported by Hiran Moy from Telemura, Chinikhorang.